Okay, here's the update for the progress. I got a few hours off between flying. Doing the slow-mo thing with the camera there. It's time frame. But anyway, had to weld the caps on. So I sweated the caps on. Not the prettiest, but it's globbed on there hard. These are also on the back side, or basically sweated on there too, brazed. So those are the caps. These will stick through the actual airfoil blade inside and then tighten down inside. The next section is getting this exactly 120 degrees apart. So thank God I have a digital angle measure. So I did this, and that basically lines up with that, and it comes in there about 120. So I got that clamped in. I'm going to sweat it in place now, and we got that part done. So I got the rest of these all done. So they're all the same, and I matched them up for length, and I weighed each individual arm and ground the ends down to make them exactly the same. So they're all 100 and I think, what was it, 120, 1425.7, 1425.7.8, right in the same thing, within 1/10 of a gram of each other. So those are balanced. These all pretty much weigh within a 1/10 of a gram. So I don't have to worry about that, especially the plates. I even ground these plates down to make sure they all weigh the same. So they're within a 1/10 of a gram. So balance problems shouldn't be an issue when I'm done with this. So I just got this thing set. I had drawn these micro inscribed lines beforehand and then put the marker to highlight them where they're at. But I'm lining those up on those. I made sure this was from the distance of this hub here, right at the edge, right down here. That is 43 inches, 43 1/8 inch from there to the actual tip here. So the rotor blades will be exactly the same distance out from this edge of this hub all the way around. The hub, of course, is round because I had drilled a center hole, and when I did this and I sanded them down, they're all centered. So that should be pretty much in balance there too. I don't have anything to really balance the blades after they're on. So anyway, that's my next step, and now I'll be going on here shortly. I'm going to set that up and braze it. You'll see this on the slow-mo film when I post that to YouTube later on. It's just play it at super high speed. You'll see the steps that I'm going through.